Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you view snaps multiple times on Snapchat without the sender being notified that you have actually replayed their snap, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now first, of course, since we're going to be using the Snapchat application, we head out to our Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, search for Snapchat, find it, and make sure we have the app updated to make sure everything works properly in this process. Finally, you can quit the store. Let's go ahead and open Snapchat now. Make sure you log into your account, of course, and let's head out to our conversations. Pick the snap that you want to view multiple times. I'm gonna choose this conversation. Let's start with the snap at the bottom. If I view it once, then I quit, and then I long tap and then tap on replay, I can actually view the snap another time. But once I do that and I quit, there will be a message telling the sender that I have actually viewed and replayed their snap just like that. Now, if you don't want that to be shown, you can start by turning on the airplane mode from your device. Once you do that, you can go ahead and open that snap or open any snap and view it multiple times like you normally would. So let's go ahead and tap on it and tap on it again and tap on replay. But this time, once I quit, there will be a message telling the sender that I have viewed it again, but the receiver or the sender will not receive it yet. Let's see how can we fix this problem. Quit from here, and then the secret now is to go ahead and uninstall your Snapchat application and then install it again from Play Store or App Store. And once you log in again, you find out that the message disappeared and that it doesn't even show that you have even seen that snap even once. And that is basically how can you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.